Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the flavors of garlic infused steamed beans red and Napa cabbage delight. Let's jump right in. Start by soaking and softening 2 bundles of beans red. Take half of a Napa cabbage, wash it, cut it in half, and slice it vertically. For the sauce, mix chili garlic sauce, light soy sauce, chicken powder, salt, and water until it forms a delicious concoction. Now, assemble your dish. Lay down a bed of Napa cabbage on a plate, add the soaked beans red on top, and generously drizzle the sauce over everything. Place the plate in a pot, cover it up, and let it steam away on high heat for 10 minutes. While that's working its magic, grab some green onions, give them a good wash, and chop them into small pieces. Once the steaming is done, sprinkle those freshly chopped green onions and some diced pickled chilies on top. Now, for the finishing touch, heat up some oil and let it cascade over the Napa cabbage and beans red. And there you have it! Our garlic infused steamed beans red and Napa cabbage delight is ready to be savored. Give this recipe a try and I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.